Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically tag orders that received free shipping. Right. So free shipping is one of the things you need to mainly focus on. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. So for this, we are using the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount in the Shopify App Store today. So after installing the app, you come to the app's flow section. In Shopify Flow app, everything is workflows. So you can create a new workflow. So I already created one workflow. So I'll show you how I added this. So when any order is created, we'll check. So this is how the Shopify check it. So they'll check the order total shipping price. If it less than or equal to 0, then we'll add a order tag for that. For example, free shipping. Right? Then you'll get all orders which is tagged free shipping, and you'll get an idea about how your store is working. You can take reports from your order using the order tags. So that will be a really helpful thing for you. So for your listeners, Shopify also added a template section where this particular flow is already there. So you can tag the orders that received a free shipping. It's already there. You can click on this and you can install and just turn on the flow. It will work automatically, right? So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any other queries with this, you can ask on the comment section. We'll be answering. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.